Life is the result of the energy conduction problem. The origin of life and the energy conduction problem. For a long time, I have wondered, why do we exist? Emotions, love, reproduction. Where do all these phenomena originate? After many years of contemplation, I came to a conclusion. Life is the result of the energy conduction problem. Underscore. One. Energy and information. The nature of life. Look at nature, where every object is a living proof of energy conduction. When energy impacts an object, it creates information. Kick a ball into the goal, the information it leaves behind is its position, velocity, and trajectory, all of which are remembered. But the miracle of life lies in carbon, an element with the ability to transmit energy and remember information exceptionally well. Unlike silicon, which breaks when subjected to pressure, carbon retains its structure and information even when compressed. This allows DNA, a carbon-based structure, to store and reproduce information perfectly through generations. Reproduction, then, is not only a matter of reproduction but also a process of encoding and remembering information. The child is born as a miniature version of the information of the parents, just as an energy transmission problem always reproduces the original result. Underscore. Two. From love to emotion. The mathematics of life. What is emotion? It is also a form of energy, a way for the brain to encode and process information. When you love, hate, or grieve, it all comes from the energetic interaction between you and the world around you. Imagine two lines intersecting at a point. That intersection is the information password for the two lines to understand each other. Similarly, emotions are the password that helps people connect, understand, and remember each other. Reproduction, love, or emotion are all complex coding problems of nature. Not only do they sustain life, they also help information to be transmitted over time. Just like a good poem makes the reader remember it forever. Underscore. Three. Negative energy and scientific living. Each of us is like a computer with a limited source of energy. When you let your mind get caught up in negative energies such as jealousy and envy, your memory and energy will quickly run out. Instead, ask yourself, why do I exist? Why does life have this form? Each of these questions is a step towards explaining the origin of life, also a way to transform negative energy into creative energy. Meditation is not to empty the mind, but to provoke questions, thereby resetting the human thinking journey in a positive direction. Underscore. Four. Lessons from AI and life. When working with AI, I realized one thing. AI replicates the way nature works. Think of a woman giving birth. It is the most precise information encoding process that humanity has ever witnessed. Similarly, when you communicate an idea to AI and receive an image in return, you are performing the same information encoding problem that life does. But AI, however intelligent, cannot match nature in terms of fidelity and sophistication. Underscore. Conclusion. The journey to the origin of life. I have spent 9 years of my life trying to explain the origin of life, to find out why we feel love, why life is always aiming for perfection and memory. My final conclusion. Life is a problem of energy transmission. It is the greatest information encoding and memory problem that nature has solved millions of years ago. And if you, even just once, answer your own question, you are also walking on the path of great scientists.